Hello Standard 8, your Arun sir going to revise biology and the chapter is cell. So dear children, we are knowing that cell is the structural and functional unit of life. That is clear, means our body or any of the living organism's body is made up of cell. Without cell, body is not possible, living body is not possible. All the function of the body is done by the cell, and whole body is also made up of cell. And that is also clear that our life starts from a single cell. Can you name that single cell? The single cell is zygote. And first microscope was invented by Anthony van Leeuwenhoek. We are knowing cell first time was seen by Robert Hooke. That part is clear. And after the discovery of microscope only, this study of cell was made possible. We have discussed about two types of microscope, that is compound microscope and the electron microscope. In compound microscope, light is bent by glass lenses. In compound microscope, the light is bent by glass lenses, whereas in electron microscope, beams of electrons are bent by magnets. Very important question. In compound microscope, light is bent by glass lenses, whereas electron microscope, the beams of lights are bent by magnets. That part is clear. We also discussed about the cell theory, that N. Skildon, T. Schwann and Rudolf Karl Virchow, who told that all cell arises from pre-existing cell, and cell is the structural and functional unit of life made up of protoplasm. This is the cell theory, and it was given by the three scientists. We have also discussed that some organisms are single cell, bacteria, amoeba, some are few cells, okay, and some organisms are multicellular, as mango tree, we are the multicellular. We have also discussed about the smallest cell. Bacterial cell is the smallest cell, and longest cell is the nerve cell, and largest cell is the ostrich egg. Now, give reason question, why the cells are small? Two reasons. Cells are small due to they can communicate, one cell can communicate easily with the other cell, and their surface area volume ratio is greater for the diffusion of substances. So that part is clear. These two reasons that why cells are smaller, and the shape of the cell depends upon their function. For example, RBC, it is biconcave and circular. WBC, white blood cell, it is amoeboid, can change any shape. Nerve cells are long so that they can pass the message in pulses. Okay, guard cells are bean shaped so that they can help in opening and closing of stomata. That part is clear. We have also discussed about the plant cell and the animal cell. Okay, plant cells are rectangular in shape, and animal cells are circular in shape. Plant cell, two membranes are there, two outer covering are there, that is cell wall, and next one is the cell membrane or plasma membrane. Plasma or cell membrane. Okay. But here in animal cell only plasma membrane is there, cell wall is absent, and protoplasm is filled inside this. Almost in the center of the animal cell, nucleus is present, and it controls all the function of the cells. The function of nucleus is to control all the function of the cell. So it is also called as master or director of the cell. That part is clear. And this part here inside the nucleus, nucleoplasm is there. Nucleoplasm is the fluid substance present inside the nucleus, and nucleolus is also present. Very clear? And we have discussed about the prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell. Prokaryotic cell, they haven't got true nucleus, but eukaryotic cell, they have got true nucleus. True nucleus means nucleus have nuclear membrane, but in prokaryotic cell, this nuclear membrane is absent and the nuclear material is present inside the cytoplasm only. And this part is the cytoplasm. Okay. This part is the cytoplasm. Here, in the case of plant cell, vacuole is very large vacuole, and this nucleus is present. Nucleus is present at the periphery. Now, one question is asked that why plant vacuoles are larger. Plant vacuoles are larger so that it can give turgidity to the cell. Very clear? Why plant vacuoles are larger? It gives turgidity to the cell. And inside the vacuole, cell sap is present. Cell sap is present. Very clear? And this is the cytoplasm. In cytoplasm, certain membrane bound living structures are there, which has got different function, different function. So membrane bound structures which are present inside the cytoplasm, they are called as cell organelles. Okay. So we have discussed about the endoplasmic reticulum. It gives framework to the cell. Okay. It may be rough or smooth. If this is endoplasmic reticulum, it gives framework to the cell. If these ribosomes are attached, it becomes rough, otherwise it is smooth. And the function of ribosome is the protein synthesis. Mitochondria is present in both the cells, whether plant cell or animal cell. This mitochondria is present, and it is called as the powerhouse of the cell because the process of respiration takes place inside the mitochondria. In plant cell, chloroplast is present. Okay, and chloroplast contain this chlorophyll. This chloroplast is not present in animal cell, and due to presence of chloroplast only, the plants are able to do the photosynthesis work. So that part is clear. And one thing is there, that is Golgi bodies. Golgi bodies are present in animal cell. Golgi bodies or Golgi apparatus are present in animal cell. And keep in mind, Golgi bodies are present in plant in diffused form, and if it is present in plant in diffused form, it is called as dictyosomes. What it is called? Dictyosomes. dictyosomes. That part is very important, that if Golgi body is present in plant cell, then it is called as dictyosomes. And dear children, we have discussed about this chloroplast, means plastids. There are three types of plastid. Chloroplast, which is green in color, leucoplast, colorless, and function is to store food, and chromoplast, which is colored. And colored part we have discussed xanthophyll and anthocyanin. Anthocyanin remains dissolved in the vacuole cell sap, and this xanthophyll is present yellow in color, and carotene is orange red, which is present in the chromoplast. We have discussed that green chili, how it turns to red. It is masked with the chromoplast. And yesterday I sent you the table. The table, what does that table contain? That contains the cell organelle, about their structure and about their function, which is very, very important for the examination point of view. And dear children, one more thing, that generally the questions we can understand that some of the children, they do not have got the books, and we have sent the question and answer. So maximum question and answer will be from the exercise part. So exercise part, the function of this cell organelle, name the following, give reason, such type of question, objective question, and some means 5 subjective question will be also asked. Very clear or not? And in this other part, protoplasm, which is the living substance, we can't find chemically analyze this protoplasm, because as it is taken out from the cell, it ceases, and we can't find the chemical component of the accurate chemical component of the protoplasm. And the functions of the cell organelle, mitochondria, powerhouse of the cell, ribosome, protein factories, chloroplast, related to photosynthesis, and this endoplasmic reticulum. These parts are very, very important. You may be asked. Composition of cell wall, made up of cellulose, and this plasma membrane or cell membrane made up of lipids and protein, or you can say as lipoprotein. So that part is clear. And in short, I have tried to revise the topic. Main part from the exercise question, you can see that those questions are very, very important. So you must go through those questions. So today up to this much. In the next video, we will revise the next topic. Thank you very much.